Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Fitri Bajia. I will present chapter 7 material. Sent woman talking about work and planning things. I will read it. I'm going to meet a doctor. Emily, so what are you going to do this afternoon, Linda? Do you want to go shopping? Linda, love to, but I'm going to meet a doctor in the hospital. Emily, well, maybe some other time. By the way, what do you work now? Linda, I work for pharmaceutical industry. Emily, what do you do there? Linda, I'm a medical representative. I promote and sell the drug and medical equipment. Emily, how interesting. Linda, are you doing anything tomorrow? We could go then. Emily, tomorrow sounds fine. I'm going to work until 5. Linda, so let's go around 6. Emily, okay. B. Answer the question based on the dialogue about. I will try to answer the question. 1. Where does the dialogue take place? At the cafe. 2. What is Linda going to do this afternoon? She is going to meet a doctor in the hospital. 3. What are they talking about? About work and planning things. 4. Where does Linda work? She is medical representative. 5. What does Linda do exactly? She worked in the pharmaceutical industry. 6. What time are they going tomorrow? They are going to around 6. Grammar focus future with be going to. Be going to is used for refer to plans, goals, and make predictions that are reinforced by the use of the clear time signal. Rumus for future with be going to. Subject plus to be plus going to plus verb 1. Subject he, she, it with to be is. Subject I with to be am. Subject we, they, you with to be are. Example. Positive sentence. Rumus. Subject to be plus going to plus verbs. Example. He is going to leave. I'm going to come. You are going to come. Negative sentence. Rumus. Subject to be not plus going plus verb 1. Example, he is not going to leave. I'm not going to come. You are not going to come. Interrogative sentence. Rumus to be plus subject plus verb 1. Example, is he going to leave? Am I going to come? Are you going to come? I took 5 questions for us to complete the sentence using be going to. Because are already using verb 1, we only add the to be according to the subject, be going to, and verb 1. I will try to answer. 1. He is going to phone his friend. 2. We are going to play a new computer game. 3. My sister is going to watch TV. 4. You are going to a picnic next Tuesday. 5. Jan is going to go to the office. The tip of the text above. Pharmaceutical company. A pharmaceutical company or a drug company is a commercial business licensed to research, develop, market, and or distribute drugs, most commonly in the context of healthcare. From its beginning in the start of the 19th century, the pharmaceutical industry is now one of the most profitable and influential in existence, attracting praise and controversy. A newer approach has been to understand how disease and infection are controlled at the molecular and physiology level and to target specific antigens based on this knowledge. They are subject to various of law and regulation regarding the patenting, testing, and marketing of drugs, particularly prescription drugs. They can make generic or brand name drugs. The first drugstore date back to the Middle Ages. The first known drugstore opened in Baghdad in 754. The Indonesian pharmaceutical industry is a highly fragmented market with more than 200 industry pharmacy. Pharma company in Indonesia. Number 1, Kalbe Pharma. Number 2, Sanbe. Number 3, Kimia Pharma. Number 4, Bio Pharma, and other. Pip question based off the text above. Number 1, what is the pharmaceutical company? Number 2, they can deal in generic and or brand medication. What does the underlined word refer to? Number 3, when did the pharmaceutical industry start to get profit? Number 4, how have the most drugs been discovered? Number 5, what systems are employed to speed up this process? And here are the answers to 5 questions of the text above. Summary of the text above. Disease, penyakit. Drug discovery, penemuan obat. Generic, umum. Infection, infeksi. Medication, pengobatan. Remedies, obat.